everyone. I just wanted to make a shorter video today talking about the Mega X 3D printer, a kind of update on it. About a month ago I made a review of it, and I will link that up in the corner. In that review I said it's an amazing printer and I really like it and recommend it. Frankly, I don't think that anymore. My first and biggest issue is that the printer doesn't have amazing quality. It has really bad stringing, and I've tried to fix that and I have slightly reduced it, but it's still definitely noticeable. That's not super hard to fix though, and you can live with it, it's okay. The 3D printing nerd talked about this in his video too. Yeah, it's pretty bad. However, that's only when it is working. A lot of the time, it doesn't work at all. There have been, I want to say 3 or 4 different problems in the time I've had the printer. The first I actually talked about in my first review video. The hot end, where the filament comes out, was not totally sure what happened, but filament sort of blobbed everywhere, and it went out of every hole of the hot end and kind of just broke it. I had to replace the hot end. It was fairly easy to replace, but I still don't think I should have had to replace it because I couldn't see any reason as to why I did that. And then I released the printer the video a couple days after that. And yeah. About a week after that, it broke down again. I tried to home the Z-axis to level the bed, and the gantry started to tilt, kind of to slant. In case you don't know, the gantry is the horizontal rod, I guess, on the printer that the extruder sits on and slides on, and that goes also up and down. And there are 2 long threaded rods on either side of it that turn to pull it up or down. I think one of them might have been bad, or I'm not totally sure what, but the gantry started to tilt or slant like this until there was at least a 3-inch gap between the bottom end and the top end, which made it very bad, and I was really scared it wouldn't work. I talked to customer service, and after about a week I had it up and running again. So definitely harder to fix, but I was able to fix it. And then, about a week after that, another problem happened. It stopped extruding. It would go like 10 millimeters up while under extruding, and then just kind of stop altogether. And the filament, if you feel the filament, it isn't going in at all. I really didn't know what the cause of this was. I thought maybe the gears weren't powerful enough to pull it forward, which I thought might have also been why it's stringing, because it can't pull it back enough. So I replaced the feeder with a better one from Amazon, and that still did not work. After that, I thought maybe it would be a problem with a clogged nozzle, so I replaced the nozzle, and it was actually decently clogged, but that still didn't fix it. I could not figure out how to replace that. I contacted customer service, and I was not able to fix that. So I used the warranty to return it. I just replaced it with the same printer, and I thought maybe the first one was just faulty or something. So I got the new printer. I did a test print. That went fine. A lot of stringing, but still. I did a second print, which was an armor piece, a lot bigger piece, shin armor. And that one, a lot of stringing, but printed fine. And then after that, tried to home the Z-axis, and the gantry slanted again. I think even worse than before, and I was not able to fix it this time. I contacted customer service, and I did the same thing I did last time it happened, using the same things the guy told me, and I still wasn't able to make this work. So eventually I returned that one too. And yeah, so that makes 4 problems, one of which was repeated. So that's not great. Now, number 2. Didn't have much bang for its buck. Don't get me wrong, the printer is really not too bad other than stringing when it's working. But for the price, it came in at $400. And I just feel like that could have held more. For example, printers like the CR10 have very similar abilities and a build space that's even higher by 100 millimeters on the Z-axis, and it's, I think, $100 cheaper. I will admit that the Mega X looks pretty good in my opinion. It looks simplistic, you could say, but if you don't care about aesthetics, then I would recommend something different like the Ender 3 Max, which is bigger but also cheaper. Okay, anyway, that was my quick update on this printer. I hope you enjoyed it. Just so you know, I got a replacement printer, which I have running in the background, the CR10S Pro V2, and might do a video review on that sometime. I've been getting a lot of comments lately with people saying that my video quality or my audio quality is bad, and for my video quality, I'm just using my phone because frankly it's the best camera I have. And for sound quality, I tried to put a microphone here. Let me know if that helps or not. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment.